Hello guys, my name is Jambi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome on board and let's get creative together. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet. And I think this is a bracelet season. We've been making a lot of bracelets and I love it. So you're going to need a pair of scissors, paracord and a lighter. So arrange your threads in this manner, your paracords in this manner. So you're going to need 3 similar colors and 1 different color. So I used blue and red, and pin them to secure them, pin them together and clip them to make sure they're secure for easy making of the bracelet. So this is how you're going to ensure your threads are. You can use any other colors of your choice. So using your farthest red thread, you're going to start from the farthest end. So you're going to make a letter 4 on top of the other 2 red threads. Make a letter 4 and insert the blue one on the space that is formed when you bend the red thread, and pull the 2 farthest threads to make sure it's tight enough. Make sure it's tight enough. You can use something to hold your other 2 threads at the middle to make sure you tighten the bracelet enough. You can use tape. I was using my mouth but you can use tape. So make sure they are tight enough, and you can see a pattern is starting to form, a very beautiful pattern. It's not very clear at this point, but it's going to get clear as we continue. So repeat the same step. So you're going to repeat this step until your bracelet is long enough. So depending on how long or short you want your bracelet to be, continue with this step, and the pattern is going to fall in place. As you continue, you can see a very beautiful pattern is starting to form. And so let's continue with this step until our bracelet is long enough. So let's meet in the next step. So this is the only part that I've seen needs explaining. So we're going to use a piece of a straw to make this part here, and this is how it's done. We are going to make a bracelet using this similar method, I think, in the next video, so stay tuned. And just roll your thread around the straw and put it inside, and then pull and tighten it. So this is how it's done, and I think this is an easier method. Tying a knot is easier, but I think this looks better. Yes, this looks better than just tying a knot, and the knot looks more bulky compared to when you just tie a single knot. So as you can see, put it inside the straw and tighten it. So I decided to add another knot here just to make it more bulky, and cut the extra threads, cut all of them, and burn. We burn to secure, to ensure they don't come off. Do the same on the other side, cut and burn. So our bracelet is ready, and wow, how beautiful is it? So it's a Shamballa one. So just this is how you tie it. You pull it, and like that you fasten it, and it's ready. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Kindly remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Bye.